This video will enlighten the common questions you may have as a starting Upwork freelancer, like finding a niche, creating a winning profile, writing proposals that can land you the first Upwork job, and more. I know that you're feeling excited now, so let's move into the video without further ado. Here's a breakdown of the 7 key steps involved in landing your first Upwork job. Number 1, niche down for success. Choose your 5 skills: writing, social media management, etc. Focus on skills that deliver a high return on investment, ROI, for clients. This means showing them how your work will make them money. By focusing on ROI-driven niches, you can command a good income and keep clients happy with proven results. Number 2, profile optimization attracts clients. Key research: analyze top Upwork profiles in your niche. See how often they use keywords in their titles and descriptions. Use this information to optimize your own profile content. Example: search for social media management on Upwork, filter by talent, and analyze the top profiles. Number 3, building your portfolio even as a beginner. Fiverr is the best place to go if you don't have a portfolio yet. Why? Let me tell you how. Head to the Fiverr buyer profile. Find freelancers offering similar services you want to offer on Upwork. Reach out to 15 or so, requesting samples of their work. This way you can build a portfolio to showcase on Upwork. Number 4, smart job section. Focus on client hiring score. Client hiring score only applies to jobs with a 100% hiring score. This shows a history of paying freelancers. Verified payment method ensures the client has a verified payment method to avoid potential scams. Number 5, proposal writing. Stand out from the crowd. Personalize it. Start with the client's name, a basic touch many forget. Go beyond the job description. Look for the client's unstated needs. Ask relevant questions and show you understand their project. Example: you mentioned running ads before, but didn't mention ROI. How much improvement are you hoping for? Highlight your value. Briefly showcase your experience, the benefits you bring, percentage improvement you can deliver, and top 3 work samples. Call to action. Invite the client a quick meeting and suggest your availability. Bonus tip: check the video description for a link to free proposal templates. Number 6, save time with job tracking. Feedbro Chrome extension. This free tool helps you to track Upwork jobs efficiently. Install it, search for jobs using your keyword, and apply filters. Then copy Upwork RSS feed link and add it to Feedbro. Now you can see all relevant jobs in one place, saving you tons of time in browsing. Number 7, Upwork Canucks, making the most of them. Early birds get the worm. Apply to jobs within 10 to 15 minutes of posting to increase your proposal visibility, building up your reputation. As a beginner, consider quick jobs like app reviews to get initial positive feedback and build a strong Upwork profile. Bonus tip number 1, client outreach beyond Upwork. Businesses often have profiles on platforms like Yelp or Realtor.com, depending on your niche. Find businesses needing your services and contact them directly by email or phone to showcase your skills. Things are not completed yet. I have something special to offer you. You can say it. The bonus number 2. It's free Upwork training. The video description has a link to a free 15-day Upwork challenge with additional resources and a free webinar to help you land your first Upwork job. Remember, ask questions in the comment below if you have anything that's not clear. One more thing, suggest your favorite topic for future videos. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Happy freelancing!